You missed Brett, Dogwafat, Pepe, and the others. Here's your chance to be very early. We launched the first monkey coin on Base Chain and have a small pre-sale right now. The coin is called Bongo-based Banana Bits and a real first mover in the world of meme coins. With a small pre-sale hard cap of just 50 Ethereum, you now have the chance to be in from the very beginning. Don't miss out on the opportunity to be part of this groundbreaking movement. The best part? We're giving away free token airdrops to 20 lucky winners among all the comments. So what are you waiting for? Just comment below to qualify for the free airdrop and join the TG for more infos about the project. Let's fly to the moon together with the first monkey coin on Base Chain.